the greatest friends that Cuba has is Nelson Mandela and his appreciation for what the Cuban people did and Fidel Castro. But I think if you don't understand the Cuban history,
well, my president, my brother,
President, my brother.
how are you?
My brother.
Please, please. Very nice to see you.
Estoy tan contento de verlo.
Please sit down.
Tan contento. Por favor, tenga bien
Please sit down.
sentarse.
Please sit down.
Siéntese.
A ver,
Now, it's only on occasions like this that I have
Son
so many
invocaciones
challenges.
como esta.
a ver, ¿dónde nos quieren parados?
Let's see where they want us to stand.
Well, it's I say good. It's a very great moment for us.
Es un gran momento para nosotros.
¿Cómo se enteraron
How did you learn
de que estábamos aquí?
that we were here?
It's a very great moment for us to be
Es un
visited by
gran
Fidel.
momento para nosotros estar aquí con Fidel.
Because what he has done for us
Porque lo que Fidel ha hecho por
is
nosotros
difficult to put in words.
es difícil de describirlo con palabras.
Firstly, during the anti-apartheid struggle,
Primero en la lucha contra el apartheid.
he did not hesitate at all
No
to give
titubeó
us some
por un
maximum
segundo
support.
en darnos toda la ayuda.
And now that we are free,
Y ahora que somos libres,
we have a large number of Cuban doctors
tenemos
here
muchos médicos cubanos trabajando
helping
aquí,
in the rural area
ayudándonos en las áreas
where
rurales,
there are hardly
donde
any doctors at all.
donde no hay prácticamente ningún otro médico.
And I have had the opportunity
Y yo he
of thanking
tenido la ocasión de darle las gracias
for the support
a
that he has
Fidel
given.
por ese apoyo que nos está dando.
And I've promised him that
Y le he
I'm going to
prometido-
discuss the matter with my office
Además,
to see whether I can be in Cuba.
es algo que todavía tengo que ver con mi
Even
oficina,
before the end
pero
of this year.
quiero ir a Cuba antes
we'll
de finales
discuss
de
it.
este año.
Good.
Ustedes comprenderán
I'm sure you understand
que esta es una de las tardes más felices de mi vida.
that this is one of the happiest evenings in my life
Por tres razones.
for three reasons.
Porque encuentro a mi querido hermano
First, because I find my dear brother Mandela
mejor que nunca,
better than ever,
con una excelente salud.
in excellent health.
Segundo,
Secondly,
con el mismo entusiasmo que tuvo toda la
because I
vida.
find him with the same enthusiasm that he has had in his life.
Y tercero, por
Always.
eso que nos
And
dijo ahora,
thirdly, because of what he has just said,
de que pronto nos va a hacer
that
una visita.
very soon he will be paying a visit to us in Cuba.
In South Africa, Mandela was waiting. Fidel was invited to address the South African Parliament.
Conviértase Sudáfrica en modelo de un mundo futuro más justo y más humano.
Let South Africa be a model of a more just and more humane future.
Si ustedes pueden, todos podemos.
If you can do it, we will all be able to do it.